There are laptops that creators use, and then there are laptops that are made for creators. Design built from the ground up, specifications handpicked for the best performance. Portability compact enough to go wherever you go. If that sounds too good to be true, rest assured it isn't. I'm Chetan, this is another ASUS Spotlight video, and this is the all-new ASUS ProArt GoPro Edition PX13, a laptop that blends precision with portability and lets creators shoot, edit, and publish on the move. At first glance, it carries the clean minimalist ProArt DNA, sleek matte finishes, subtle detailing, and a professional aesthetic that feels purpose-built for content creators. But being a GoPro Edition device, this laptop also comes with some special perks for creators who use a GoPro, like this stylish case which you can use to carry the laptop itself, but also quickly hook up a tripod or some other accessories. You also get this laptop box which comes with a layer of memory foam modules on the bottom. You can use these to carve out your own shapes within the box and carry any accessories that you frequently use. It even comes with these outer straps that can tether a small tripod or other larger accessories as well. These cases make it easy to carry the laptop, your GoPro camera, and all your other accessories into one package, which if you ask me is much better than carrying around 10 different cases. Coming to the laptop itself, the PX13 is a compact 13-inch performance laptop engineered for serious creative workloads in an ultra-portable form factor. It gets a new design, and up front you get a 13-inch 3K touchscreen display with stylus support and a 16:10 aspect ratio for extra vertical workspace. It also has a wide color gamut support and is Pantone-Validated, which means the shade you see is the exact shade you get. Powering the GoPro Edition PX13 is the new AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, which integrates a very powerful iGPU for all your editing projects, and it even packs a 50 TOPS NPU. The latter also makes this a Copilot+PC certified laptop, bringing you all the cool features like co-creator, generative erase, and recall built right into Windows 11. In a nutshell, that means smoother editing, faster exports, and intelligent AI-assisted workflows. You also get high-speed 128GB LPDDR5X onboard memory for fast performance, along with 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD storage and 100GB cloud storage with Microsoft 365 Basic for 1 year to store your large 4K footage libraries. The laptop also offers a dedicated shortcut to the GoPro Player, which makes life easier if you deal with a lot of GoPro files, including 360-degree video playback. That's not all. There's also something in store for those just beginning their GoPro journey. When purchasing the ASUS ProArt GoPro Edition PX13, you can also choose to opt for the GoPro Max 2 bundle, which includes the GoPro Max 2 360 camera, an extension pole, 2 Enduro batteries, and a 64GB SanDisk microSD card, all at a discounted price. Besides all this, the ASUS ProArt GoPro Edition is also a superb all-round laptop with all the ports you'd need, support for 3 external displays, a lightweight chassis, and even tremendous battery life. There's even the dial pad to help creators navigate efficiently through their favorite software. That's the all-new ASUS ProArt GoPro Edition PX13, a laptop that's made for creators and lets you be the hero of your story. See you in the next one.